Good morning, everybody. I am Johnny McNoBudget, and welcome back to your Totally Real News channel on channel 499. Now, today we've got a rather interesting case of our local crazy person, once again, Loco. Always know about him. Having another story, claim that he saw the Sledgehammer Man and has video proof of it this time. Now, as everybody in this real town, completely real town, knows, the Sledgehammer Man isn't real. Totally. There's no way he's real. Well, are you going to be so sure about that after this interview with the local crazy person? Let's hear what he has to say.
Tell us now, what did you see?
Let me breathe first. He was there in my yard. He was there with that sledgehammer. He was going down. And he was going. And he never stopped. And he kept hammering with my backyard. I saw it. I put the camera in a very convenient spot where you could see him. And he saw. I think he broke my shoulder. But I saw my own two eyes. This one and this one. And you did. I know it. And you can't say otherwise because I have a video. I show you. I show you. I promise. Because Loco, I never lie. Loco never lies. You ever believe me? I need a doctor. I'm going to sue you. Whatever that means.
Hello again, this is Johnny McNoBudget reporting in from a news station, as my old station has been taken over by Loco, and I really don't want him to sue me, so let's just pretend that never happened and that I've always been here. Now, let's see what other people had to say about the news of the Sledgehammer Man being real. So, as you know me, I've always been one of the biggest Sledgehammer Man truthers there is out there in the world. So for me, hearing that the Sledgehammer Man is real, and he is really out and about, tearing up people's backyards, this is one of the biggest moments in history, in crazy people history, that there is a man running around people's backyards with a sledgehammer and destroying it while getting away with it until now. Now I want him to destroy my backyard so I can really take a good look at him and say, I love you. So yeah, that's about it, guys.
What's up, everybody? Today, we're going to be calling the Sledgehammer Man at 3 a.m.
Tell me all along, Johnny. That's my secret. Loco don't lie. Loco don't lie. And I do have an arm. I do have a right arm. Now give me a second. You was all part of my plan. Hold on. You was all part of my plan. Yes. Yes. I threw him on my track. I am the Sledgehammer Man. I am the Sledgehammer Man. Y'all can call me the eyes in the real town.